you guys. So let's go ahead and fold our paper into 4. Mine's going to look a little bit different than yours because I ran out of paper today. Okay, so what is the difference between lateral and total surface area? Remember, lateral is no bases. So that's like if you had, let's pretend you had a can. That's only the label. Okay? Total means all the faces. Also, let me get a formula chart. If I have a formula chart, these are going to be my formulas. So remember, my P stands for perimeter. Okay? H is still my height. But B is still my area of the base. R is my radius. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first one, it says, what is the total surface area? I'm going to draw my figure. Okay, this was 14, 4, and 6. All right, so I'm going to write my formula. So this is a rectangular prism. So I'm going to write my formula S equals PH plus 2B. Okay, so first we're going to be talking about P, my perimeter. I'm going to use this one because this is going to be my base. It's a rectangular prism, so it doesn't matter which one you use as your base. So if I was my P, I'm going to do 14 plus 14 plus 4 plus 4. Okay? Then my height. What is my height of the figure? My height of the figure is 6. So let's go ahead and solve. So 14 plus 14 plus 4 plus 4 times 6. That's going to get me 216. But now, B, my area of the base. My base was this rectangle. And how do I find it? I'm going to do length times width. So I'm going to do 14 times 4. So now I'm going to put 216 plus 2 times 14 times 4. So my answer would be, my surface area equals 328. So my answer would be D. Okay. My next one is this triangular prism. So I know it is a triangular prism. And we want the total surface area. So I'm going to write my formula. My formula is S equals PH plus 2 times my area of the base. So perimeter times height plus 2 times the area of the base. Remember, this is my base. So my base is a triangle. Okay? Its slant is 7. So remember, the first thing I'm going to do is find my perimeter. So I'm going to do 5 plus 5 plus
Teachers,
7.
at this time, please take your attendance.
Okay? If I notice from my figure, this is my height because my height is between my bases. So my height is 8. So let's go ahead and solve. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 7 is 17. So 17 times 8 is 136. So now I'm going to do 136 plus 2 times my area of the base. Remember, it's a triangle. So I'm going to do base times height divided by 2. So I'm going to do 5 times 5 divided by 2. Now let's go ahead and put that in my calculator. 5 times 5 divided by 2. Oops. 12.5. So again, that's 136 plus 2 times 12.5. All right, let me put that in my calculator. 136 plus 2 times 12.5. I get 161. Sorry guys, I'm rushing because the bell is going to be ringing soon. Okay. The next one, they want the lateral surface area. I'm going to go ahead and write on here since I don't have any more copies and I don't want the work to mash up. So we want the lateral surface area. If I look at my formula chart, that is S equals PH. We're going to say that my base can be any one of these. I'm personally going to use this one right here, my bottom. So if I find my perimeter, I'm going to add up 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6. And then my height is 5. So 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 times my height be 5. My answer is 100. Again, they want our lateral surface area, so I'm going to put my formula. So my formula is S equals 2 pi RH. 5 is my radius. 10 is my height. So I'm going to put 2 times pi times 5 times 10. I get 314.16. Okay, last problem. Again, guys, I'm sorry I'm rushing. I'm just trying to be advisory. Okay, so we have lateral surface area, and this is a triangular prism. So I'm going to write S equals PH. That is my formula. Okay, let's identify my base. My base is this triangle right here. So First, we have to find the perimeter of my base. Okay, so then I'm going to do 3 plus 5 plus 4. And then my height of the figure is 7. So I'm going to multiply that by 7. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 5 is 12. 12 times 7 is 84. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you later. Bye.